Oh, let's see. I already made the Iron Maiden once. I'll have enough plants. Yeah, I don't think I can. Make anything. Looks like we're gonna be going. Well, actually, does this count? Wait, hold on. I need to make sure. Actually, no. Let's just go and get some plants. It'll be better. Let's see. Do we have everyone that can? We need plants. Plants and minerals. No. Plants and minerals. Plants and minerals. Is there anyone else? Plants and textiles. DP and plants. DP and I guess we'll do a run for plants and minerals. Not that bad.
Let's get to searching.
Alright, this should go by fairly quickly since we now have access to the outer layer, and the outer layer just has specific parts, so should go well. Go to the forest. Okay. So while we're here, we have 140% more on plants and minerals. We can go get the key item stuff because why not? Wouldn't hurt. Although, to be fair, getting the key item stuff is kind of pointless. It's just an extra gift that I can give them, which I mean, not a bad thing, but you know, we'll work our way over to the one in the bottom right, pretty much.